everybody, Miss Lauren from the Carmel Clay Public Library here. Today I'm at Carmel's Plots to Plates Community Garden and we're going to be making a puking pumpkin. Doesn't that sound gross? Now I have a smaller baking pumpkin because it'll take a little bit less resources, but you guys can use any size pumpkin you'd like with this experiment. The first thing you gotta do is start carving. We've got our jack-o'-lantern all carved, we can start adding in the puke ingredients. First is going to be some baking soda. We'll do about 1/4 of a cup, although you can always add in a little bit more, especially if you've got a bigger pumpkin. Oops. Then the next 2 ingredients, you don't technically have to have, but it makes it a lot grosser. We've got just a little bit of dish soap we're going to sprinkle in, and some green food coloring. Get a little bit of that in there. All right, can you guys guess what the next ingredient is to make this pumpkin puke? That's right, vinegar. All right, let's pour some in. Oh. Ew. Woo. A little bit more. Oh. You got a lot in there. Gross. Now, obviously the pumpkin's not actually sick. When the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, we get a chemical reaction that turns the liquid and the solid into a gas called carbon dioxide. And the gas bubbles up and out of the pumpkin's mouth like puke. Who could have figured science would be so gross? Thank you all for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye!